Okay, here we're going with the 2017 National 5 Mathematics Paper 1. Okay, question 1 starts off with substituting a number through a function. So here we have a function given in terms of x, which is x squared plus 3x. So whatever's going in, you have to square it and add 3 times the number that's going in. Okay, so if you're going to put in minus 5, we want minus 5 squared. Safest thing is to put it in a bracket there. Minus 5 squared plus 3 times minus 5. So you replace the x with the number. Minus 5 squared, of course, is positive 25. Add 3 times minus 5, so you're adding 3 minus 5 is minus 15. 25, add minus 15, of course, really means 25. Take 15, which is 10. On to question 2, just below it. Here we go here. The results of calls received by the police was recorded over 10 days. The results are shown below, and you can see them all there. And the question is, find the semi-interquartile range for this data. Okay, now this mostly involves doing a thing called a 5-figure summary. We'll use a couple of the figures from that. But just to go over what a 5-figure summary is, okay, the very first thing you do is you make sure that the numbers are in order from lowest to highest, and as you can see here, they are, which is helpful. Okay, and here what we have, let's see how many, we have 10 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so if I write these all out and I draw a line splitting them into lower 5 and upper 5 there, then the median is the number in the middle. Now of course with 10 numbers there isn't a 1 in the middle, so it's the average of these two numbers there. Okay, or if you can do that, it's the number that's halfway between them, which is the same thing. Okay, incidentally, okay, so moving on to Q1. Okay, this is called lower quartile. It's the median of the lower half of these numbers. Now with there being 5 numbers, the median is the one in the middle there. It's 218, so that's called Q1, the lower quartile. Okay, Q3 is called the upper quartile. It's the median of the upper half. So in a similar process, that's the number in the middle, which is 250. Okay, and just to quickly recap on what a 5-figure summary of this would be, the lowest, 198, Q1, that's called Q2, the median of the whole group of numbers, Q3 the upper quartile, and there's the highest number. Okay, but anyway, back to the semi-interquartile range. There's a formula for this. It's Q3 take away Q1 divided by 2. Semi obviously implies that you divide it by 2. Okay, so it's 250 take 218, which is 32, over 2, which is 16. So the semi-interquartile range is 16.